This is Christine Luttrell. Today's knowledge tip from CS3 is creating custom panels in Sage HRMS. This will definitely make tracking and reporting on various employee-related information so much easier. Custom pages are used to enter and maintain information unique to your employer. You can track information relating to employees, such as company credit cards, security clearances, or company property that's been issued to an employee. Today we're going to create a custom page to track company credit card information for an employee. When designing a custom page, you can add your own fields that you create, as well as add existing fields from Sage HRMS databases. You can create single or multi-record pages. Using Crystal Reports, you can then access the custom fields and create relevant reports as needed. To design a custom page, we begin at the navigation pane. Select System, Design Custom Details. The Design Custom Details dialog box opens. From the Detail drop-down list, we will select Employee. Sage HRMS automatically displays a list of existing custom pages. Let's add a new one. The Create a New Custom Detail dialog box opens. In the Detail Name field, enter a unique name for the page. Today we're going to use Company Credit Card. This is going to be a multi-record, single-page panel that'll be able to house multiple credit cards for a single employee. Click OK to save your changes. A blank page opens with the page name and any tabs that you may have selected. The page is set up with two columns for adding fields on your page. Simply click the location that you want to add the field, and the Define a Custom Field window opens with the Main Employee Fields button already selected. To add an existing Sage field, we simply click or begin typing on what we need from the Select a Field list, which contains all the fields in the HR personnel table. Let's begin by adding the employee's business phone, their department, and their job title. These are all fields that are already captured within Sage HRMS. To add a custom field that's not already housed in Sage HRMS, click Employee Custom Fields. Click Add, and add your field title. In this case, let's call it Credit Card. We need a unique database field name. What type of data are we going to enter? So let's choose Code Table because we want a drop-down box of all the available credit cards. Let's look at Table Name. We'll choose Credit Card, which we've previously created. Is this going to be a required field? And what level of security do we want? OK to save our changes. Continue adding fields as necessary. Let's add the credit card number, the expiration date, and the CSV code to this, which we have already previously created. When we're done, let's click Apply to save our changes and remain on the page, or we can click OK to save our changes and close the page. You see we now have one called Company Credit Card. Let's go take a look at what we created. So let's go to Employees and let's choose Donald Adams. Let's go to our custom panel, our custom details, and let's add a credit card for Donald. You can see that Donald's information has already been pulled in based on what was in the Sage database. We'd like to add a credit card, so why don't we add a MasterCard for him? Let's enter his credit card number. And choose an expiration date. and his CSV. Hit OK, and Donald's credit card number is now available. After you're designing your custom pages, you must give users access to them by updating the group security information. Now you're ready to track and report on any type of employee-related information you need to make your job easier.